Hi folks, this is Will with MarineMax here in Jax Beach. And today we're going to talk about the all-new 2026 257 Fisherman. We're going to start with the aft section of the boat. This boat's powered by twin 200 Yamaha motors, gives you plenty of power to get out in the water, even to get out to the ledge and do some fishing. As we look back here at the back transom, you'll notice that first off, this boat has really incredible fish box, fully insulated, as well as a full column wash live well. Next to these two items is a nice freshwater wash down as well to give you be able to wash down some of your items here on board. And of course, in front of these items is Grady-White's patented drop seat here in the back. Very easy to deploy and very easy to open back up, just like that. As we move towards the hitching post, the center and the helm area, first thing you're going to notice down here is this incredible little cooler that pops out with just simple nut, a little on the button, and it rolls out for you right away. It gives you great access to the cooler, and you'll be able to stow it right back away by pushing it back in. Above that is a nice tackle box center. Moving up towards the helm station, we have nice bolster seats. One thing I'd like to point out is how much room is between the helm and the helm seating. Tremendous amount of room here. So you've got plenty of room to the steering wheel to give you lots of freedom up here, not so squeezed up against the steering wheel. As you notice, this boat's been rigged out with a beautiful 16-inch Garmin, as well as a nice VHF, as well and a stereo. One thing I also like to point out about the helm is the switching. Everything is arranged up here on the top area, which keeps you free from clutter down here in the lower area so you can focus on operating on the boat. As we look down on the gunnel side, you'll notice a couple different things. One, over here is your freshwater washout. So all you do when you come back is you hook up garden hose here and flush the motors from this instead of having to go through and flush them out from the motors. This boat is equipped with the macerator or a pump out head. Inside the head compartment, you'll notice a really nice space down here. Mirror on the door so you can check yourself out before you're heading back to shore. Then we move up into this beautiful bow area. And the first thing you'll notice is this great seating arrangement. These seats will flip around, so if you're out fishing, you can get them out of the way and use them as a leaning post overboard if you're fishing. Up towards the bow area, you'll notice again there's a nice windlass, and access to the line of road is easily accessible right here on the side. This boat has just about everything you would want or need to go out fishing or just a day out in the sun with the family. Please give us a call here at MarineMax in Jacksonville. We'd love to see you out. Thank you so much.